In Haitian Creole, thanks is merci, and to say you're welcome, that is pas de problème, which means no problem. Or you can say c'est un plaisir, which means it's a pleasure. Now, here is a really, really useful tip. So you can say the word we after merci to show that you are really, really thankful. And you can do that by saying merci oui. And that statement right there is intense. It's really powerful. Why? Because it makes you sound more like a native speaker, like someone who's from Haiti. So when you say merci oui, when someone who speaks Haitian Creole natively does something for you, he or she may react by saying, vous parlez Creole? Oh. Now, as you will see in a different lesson, which is in the video description, so be sure to check it out, you can at times say the word we at the end of a sentence to show that you really agree with something. So in this case, you are showing that you are really, really thankful. All right, so now here are some examples of showing your gratitude in Haitian Creole.
Oh, Milord, merci, oui. Oh, merci pour te. Grip sa tap chwe, mes ami. Oh, zami, merci an pil. Oh, ou dem fè aplikasyon sa? Hey, bakay sa tap pam toute la jounen, oui? Merci, zami.
And other ways of really showing that you are thankful is by saying merci en pile, which means thanks a lot. Or you can even say merci en pile, which means thanks a lot. So definitely go ahead and start using this expression to show your appreciation in Haitian Creole. For more videos like this, visit howtocreole.com, subscribe, and thanks for watching.